Ben is here. Morning, Ben.
Hi there, Roger. Thank you. A very good morning to you as well. There's some very warm weather to come over the next few days. We'll start to feel the effects of that in many places during today, and certainly a beautiful start for this weather watcher out and about early in East London. So for the majority today, it will be dry and a bit warmer than it was yesterday, but not dry everywhere. Across the northern half of the UK, we've had a very wet weekend so far. The rain piled in through Northern Ireland, the far north of England, but particularly western Scotland. It is still raining here. We've had 50 millimetres of rain or so in places already. That rain continues on through today, particularly heavy across the hills and mountains in northwest Scotland. So there is a Met Office yellow warning for the risk of localised flooding and travel disruption. But elsewhere, more in the way of dry weather. For eastern and southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern England, we will see a lot of cloud, maybe the odd spot of drizzle, particularly through the morning. Should brighten up a little bit through the afternoon. Some grey skies for the coast of Wales, but for East Wales and for the bulk of England, we see sunshine through today. It will be quite windy, particularly through this central swathe, up through Northern Ireland, Northern England, southern Scotland, gusts of around 45 miles per hour, but temperatures up a little bit on where they were. 19 degrees there in Glasgow, 24 or 25 towards the southeast of England. Now, as we move through this evening and tonight, the rain will keep falling across northwest Scotland, but it will slowly ease as we head into the small hours of Monday. Quite a lot of clouds still filtering into southwest Scotland, northern England, Northern Ireland, and the odd fog patch further south on what will be a relatively mild night. So into tomorrow, this frontal system will still be bringing some patchy rain across the far northwest of the UK, but to the south of that, as we introduce a light southerly wind, it is going to turn very warm indeed for the time of year. So this is Monday's weather chart. You can see our frontal system bringing cloud and patchy rain to the northwest. But for many areas tomorrow, we see plenty of sunshine and plenty of warmth. In fact, some heat towards the southeast. 29, possibly somewhere to the west of London, for example, getting up to 30 degrees. Further north, Scotland and Northern Ireland, the high teens or low 20s. Now, it's looking like another warm day on Tuesday. Maybe not quite as warm because we'll see a bit more cloud creeping eastwards across England and Wales. The odd shower with that. Still some patchy rain towards the far northwest of Scotland. Those temperatures, 22 in Glasgow, 28, maybe 29 down towards the southeast. But that very warm spell won't last all that long. From midweek onwards, it will turn cooler, but it will stay mostly dry. So a fair amount of dry weather, around some warm weather too. A lot of rain today, though, across the northwest of Scotland, and that might start to cause one or two problems. That's all from me for now. More weather in half an hour. Roger, Rachel, back to you.
Thanks very much, Ben. See you shortly.